Does this cold weather and less daylight have you feeling down? Well, if the answer is yes, you're not alone. 2 in 5 Americans say their mood gets worse in winter. So here with us to discuss how to look after our mental health during this time of year is Sweetser's medical director, Dr. Mark Kaplan. Dr. Kaplan, thanks for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, we appreciate that. So why does winter make us feel lonelier and more isolated?
Well, our body reacts to the darkness. We produce less neurotransmitter, serotonin, and we need serotonin to regulate our mood. So when there's less of that, we tend to be more angry, more tired, more irritable. And then adding to that, the cold weather keeps us inside more. And when we're inside, we do not socialize as much. So we get lonely. And the combination of the two things for some people results in a seasonal depression.
So what do we do? How do we fight it?
A couple of things. In terms of dealing with the issue of the neurotransmitters and everything, we got to get outside when it's sunny, even if it's sunny for 10 minutes, and try to take a walk. We need to engage in winter activities when we can, keep exercising, or go to the gym, go to a pool. Anything like that's really important for maintaining our physical health and those neurotransmitters, keeping that serotonin up.
What would you do? Would you recommend people seeking professional help if any of these things don't feel like enough for them? And how would they do that?
Well, before that, just to maintain some social connection, call family members, go volunteer somewhere. But if they do need professional help, they can call 1-800-434-3000, which is a Sweetser Promise Line, and we're able to connect them with mental health supports.
Okay, that is great that it's free and it's available to folks. You mentioned things that are available to people that don't necessarily involve engaging others. Can you tell us a little bit more about what people can do, just maybe on their own? You mentioned the gym or...
Yes, so again, exercise is critically important, whether it be bundling up and going outside, or going to a gym, or going to the mall and walking.
It's a good idea.
There are many opportunities. You can go to Walmart and walk around. Nobody cares, you know.
It's a good idea.
You know, just to get out and get moving is really, really important. You know, there's some, I don't want to say there's nothing bad about winter because it's a peaceful time. People find it's relaxing. They find they get stuff done at home that they wouldn't normally do when it's summertime in Maine. So we have to consider that's, you know, it's really pretty good. But for those that do get down, these are some of the things that are important that they can do.
Yeah, Dr. Kaplan, thank you so much. These are really good reminders. We appreciate you coming in.
Happy to be here, and thanks for having me.